Hello students, now we are going to start with the example of median. This is the question that I have taken from the NCERT. This is question number 4 of exercise 14.3. So let's read the question. The lengths of 40 leaves of a plant are measured correct to nearest millimeter and the data obtained is represented in the following table. So this is the table that is given to us, and here we need to find out the median length of the leaves. So here the length is given in the class interval. It means कि 118 millimeter to 126 millimeter there are 3 leaves. So if you see the class interval here, 118 to 126 and 127 to 135, again we can see here the upper limit of the preceding class is not equal to the lower limit of the succeeding class. So we can say such type of class is a inclusive class interval. So we can't find out the median according to this class interval. We need to change the class interval from inclusive to exclusive one. So how could we change the inclusive to exclusive one? We need to see the class interval. See, we can see the lower limit of the succeeding class is one more than the upper limit of the preceding class. So what we have to do, this is the procedure. I am taking here 127 and 126. You can choose any other two classes, but what you will see that in every class interval preceding and the succeeding one, if we see the upper limit and the lower limit, we can say here just like 145 minus 144, upper limit, actually lower limit minus upper limit. So here we can I am choosing here 127 minus 126. Yes, so that is equal to 1. We can see in all the classes the difference between the lower limit and the upper limit is the 1 only. So after finding the difference, we have to divide it by 2. That is 1 by 2, that is equal to 0.5. So why we have find out this? We need to change this inclusive to exclusive one. How could we change? We will subtract 0.5, this 0.5 from the lower limit and add 0.5 to the upper limit in all the class interval. Yes, so we need to write again here the class interval and here the frequency, that is the number of leaves, and we need to find out the cumulative frequency. So first of all we will change this inclusive to exclusive one, or we can say in a continuous class interval. So 118 minus 0.5, that will equal to 117.5, and that will equal to 126.5. Here 127 minus 0.5, that will equal to 126.5, and that will equal to 135.5. Yes, similarly we will change all the class interval and we will get 135.5 to 144.5. Here 144.5 minus 153.5. We are adding 0.5 to the upper limit and subtracting 0.5 from the lower limit. Yes, so 153.5 to 162.5, 162.5 and 171.5. Then 171.5, so 180.5. So now we need to copy the frequency here. So frequency remains same, that will be 3, 5, 9, 12, 5, 4 and 2. So now according to the formula, what is the formula? First of all, let's write the formula for the median. So what is the formula? M is equal to L plus N by 2 minus C upon F into H. Yes, so we need C here. We can find C from the only after seeing the table of the column of the cumulative frequency, and L also from the we can find only after finding the cumulative frequency. So that is very important that we need to find out the cumulative frequency. So how we can find out the cumulative frequency? We will add. So it will be 3, 5 plus 3, that will be 8. 8 plus 9, that is 17. 17 plus 12, that is 29. Then 29 plus 5, that is equal to 34. And 34 plus 4, that is equal to 38. And 38 plus 2, that is equal to 40. So we can cross check also by adding these all the frequencies. That should be equal to the sum of the frequencies should be equal to the this value, that is 40. Yes, that is the last value of the cumulative frequency column. Yes, now we have find out the column of the cumulative frequency. Now what we have to find out? The n by 2. That is very important. I already told you how we can find, why we need to find out the n by 2, because after finding n by 2 we will choose the median. We will get to know about the median class and the frequency and the value of C. All the things that are needed in the formula we can find by the cumulative frequency by finding n by 2. So what is n by 2? That is equal to 40 upon 2, that is equal to 20. Yes, so how we can find the median class? We need to check in the cumulative frequency column just greater than the value by n by 2. So here 20 is here, or we can see here 17 is less than 20, but 29 is just greater than, because 34 and 38 and 40 all are the values that are greater than 20, but we need to check just greater than. So this is the 29, and see, this is the column, this is the row that is required. Means this is the median class, this is the frequency that will be required to our formula. So we have got the median class, and now what we have to do? We have to simply put the values in the formula. Yes, so we have a formula here, and we everybody could see here the table that is required here. So n by 2, L is equal to the lower limit of the median class. We have this the median class, that is, so it will be 144.5 plus n by 2 is of course 20, that we have already find out here, minus C. What is the value of C? C is the preceding value of the median class. This is the median class, and this is the C is the cumulative frequency of the preceding median median class. Means whatever the median class we have, we will not use 29. That should be the preceding value of the cumulative frequency, that is 17. So this is 17 upon frequency will be the remain same in front of the cumulative frequency, the complete row that we have find out by finding n by 2. So that is the 12, and H. So we will find out the H, that is upper limit minus lower limit, that is equal to 162.5 minus 153.5. that will be remain same for all the class interval, that is here 9. So we have got in the value, that is 9, the value of the H. Yes, so we need to calculate these this complete, and we need to be precise for our calculation. So let's calculate 144.5 plus 20 minus 17, that is 3 upon 12 into 9, and that is 3 4s and 3 3s. So that is equal to 144.5 plus 9 upon 4. Yes, that is equal to 144.5 plus we will divide this and we will get 2.25, and we will add this 144.5 plus 2.25, that is equal to 146.75. So this is the median of the given data, or this is the median length of the leaves. Yes, we can just go through again. This is the table. We have converted the inclusive class interval into the continuous class interval by subtracting 0.5 from the lower limit and by adding 0.5 to the upper limit in all the class intervals, and after that we need to find out the second step, that is we need to find out the n by 2, and after finding this n by 2 we need to just choose the cumulative frequency that is just greater than the 20, and we have, after that we can, in front of this is the median class, and this is the value of f that is required here, and this one, that is the preceding value of cumulative frequency preceding the median class, that is here c, that is 17 here. We will simply, and what is h here, that is the difference between the upper limit and the lower limit, that is 9 in the this class interval. So we have put all the values in and we have calculated this, and this is the median length of the leaves. Thank you, students.